Hi guys, this is Abdul Salim from Jisan Academy. Today we are going to see about margin in W3 CSS. We will go to the Sublime Editor. In the title tag, we will go for W3 CSS margin. We will go to the body tag. In between the body tag, we will go for div tag, div class equal to double quotes W3 container, then close this and you have to close the div tag. In between this container tag, we will go for h1, give some content here. I am giving Jisan Academy. Close this h1, then go for h3, close this, give some content here. I am giving here w3 margin, close this h3. After that you go for the div tag and you have to give the class here div class equal to double quotes, then you can give here w3 border, then close this one. You have to close this div tag. In between this border class, we'll go for one more div tag. Div class equal to double quotes. Then you can give here w3 container space bar. I am giving margin here. Margin. Then I am giving here w3 some color here. We'll give some green color, double quotes. Then we will close this div tag. In between this one, we will go for some content here. I am giving here P per paragraph. Then you can give it here. I am giving 16 pixel margin all sides. Then close this paragraph. Since we are given here W3 margin, we will get the margin all the sides 16 pixel. We will go to the file, save. We will go to the browser, hello.html file name. We will refresh this browser. You can see that I got the h1 and here h3. This one I got some paddings here. This is in the w3 container, and here you can see we got one container. Here is the border and here is the margin on all the side. On all the side, here also you can see 16 pixel margin. Now we'll go for second container and we will see the difference. We'll go to the Sublime Editor. Just copy this one, this container. go for paste. Here we will change it to W3 margin. We will give it a top. You can change the color you want, whatever you want. I am giving you a red. Here we have given top. We will get only the top margin. Now let us save this one. Go to file, save this one, go to the browser, refresh the browser. Here you can see that we got margin in the top. Here we did not got any margin here. Let us remove the first one here. Go to file, save this one. Now I will go for the browser, refresh it here. You can see now it's clearly here. Here we got 16 pixel margin at the top and left 0, here also 0 and here also 0. Now you will see the other one. Just go to the instead of top you can make it here left. Just make it here left. Now go to file, save the file, go to the browser, refresh it here. You can see now we got the margin at the left side. Like this you can go for right, and you can go for bottom, RIGHT. Now you will see the right. Go to file, save the file, go to the browser, refresh it here. You can see now we got the margin at the right side. Now we will go for the bottom. Just make it here a margin, BOTTOM. Here you can change it to bottom. Go to file, save the file, refresh it here. You can see that we got the margin at the bottom of the container. This is the margins. Hope you understood this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.